Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a Aldi unboxing, food shopping unboxing that is. And I'm so happy because, Deliveroo can do this for you. If you're in the UK, we have online shopping for Aldi, but you can also get on other apps like similar to Uber Eats. There's an app that I buy from all the time called Deliveroo. It's not sponsored, by the way, but I'm just letting you guys know if you want to go and check it out for yourself. You can get many grocery supermarkets, like big names on there, so check it out. It's not just for fast food and takeaway restaurants and all of that. Okay, but I've definitely been ordering from Aldi quite a lot, so I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing with you guys today and let you see some of the stuff you can get online. So in the first bag, I don't normally buy these things, by the way, so I'm just showing you guys the variety of stuff you can get. I'll tell you what I normally buy and what I don't normally buy, by the way. So the first thing that I get regularly, even though I like to cook my own rice, I just pick up these. I get them from different shops, but I really like Aldi one. It's very reasonable and it's just the classic basmati rice. Really love basmati rice and I prefer it over long grain rice, so these are really good. I think I got two of them, I'm not sure. I've got some ketchup, which is really cheap, good on Aldi. It's just as good as all the other big brands. Got some baby potatoes. I love potatoes. Decided to get some baby ones instead. So I got two avocados down there, and I've also got, they feel a bit soft, so I'm gonna have to use them. This one definitely looks a bit squashed, so I might complain about this one. You can definitely complain online as well when you do reviews, so you can tell them. Oh, I dropped that one by accident. I'm definitely gonna have to use this one. I don't know if it's got squashed just now, but it definitely looked like it's been squashed in store. As soon as I picked it up, I could feel the softness of it. This one felt a little bit harder, so this one's alright. Definitely like buying their fruits and veggies. It's so reasonable. But I've got some apples here, bananas, and there's some lime, grapes, and oranges, or easy peelers. Always have to have that. Yep, I do have another pack of rice. I knew that I'd picked up two of these. So, two basmati rice. And I decided to try some alcohol because I never bought alcohol from Aldi before. And I decided to pick up this one because I'm from the Caribbean. I'm Jamaican, so I miss having some rum and coconut flavors. So this was only like £5. So I decided to try it out. Well, to buy it. I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know if you want to know how much. Well, I told you how much it is. If you want to know how it tastes, I mean, definitely comment and ask if you want to find out. And then I got some oil, cooking oil, and I decided to try this cheap cola out, this Coca-Cola zero sugar, to go with the rum, okay, because I'm not going to be drinking rum by itself. So I've got the Coke to go with the rum and Coke. And yeah, so I love the fact that I can get my fruits, veggies, and whatever other condiments and stuff that I need to keep my house stacked for me and my family. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next bag now. So the next bag, I have this big bag of cheese puff. This is similar to what we call Whatsits in England. I don't know if you live in England, but yeah, if you do, these are like Whatsits. Really good. I love them. Next I have here Stackers, which is like Pringles. So yeah, definitely love these. They come in different flavors as well. Super cheap, under £1. What's this? I got some Yorkshire puddings. I decided to try these out because I normally get the the other brands, bigger brands, but I decided to try Aldi's one out. These were really cheap as well. So I've got 12 of them. And I also wanted to try out this. I think I tried it out last time and it was really good. This fish, this salt and pepper one. Okay, definitely gonna try this one out. I definitely like it. So I think I tried out the lemon pepper or lemon and something last time. Now I'm trying out the salt and pepper. Got some chocolate chips to go on my oats or in my cakes. And got some noodles, ramen noodles. I think I got 2 packs of those, and I've got the pepperoni pizza. So there's so much variety that you can get from Aldi. I don't like the fact that they put frozen with fresh or grocery, because I don't know, maybe because I used to work in a supermarket over 10 years ago, so I kind of know how to, like, you don't pack certain things with certain things because they kind of melt, and you don't want nothing to be melting on the dry stuff. So yeah, let's go into the other bag. So next I have juices. So I've got apple mango juice, not from concentrate, because when I give the kids these juices, or even making it in my smoothie, whatever, or giving it to the baby, I like to make sure that it's not from concentrate, so it's natural, in its natural state basically. I don't know why they'll put the noodles in this bag when the other one is in the other bag, but instant noodles, again, ramen noodles for snacking or making some quick soups. I got this to make sausage and mash, because we like a lot of sausage and mash or sausage and beans in this house. So I got these 12. These are really, really cheap and affordable as well. Not too cheap, but yeah, affordable. Sorry about shaking the camera so much, but we have next chicken, for roast chicken for Sunday dinner, and I like to meal prep as well, so this is a really, really good bargain. Okay, I got some wipes. I don't know why the wipes is with the chicken, but yeah, this is kind of triggering me for some reason. But we've got sensitive baby wipes. I've got like 2 of these as well, so I don't know where the other one's gone. I've got another juice here. This should be the apple juice. I've got digestives. The digestives are really, really good at Aldi, so I really like those. I think I got 2 of those as well. And I've got some dried mixed herbs and milk. And milk if I have to make smoothies or whatever, or shakes I should say. I do have some coconut milk, almond milk. I do use different types of milk in my house, so yeah, I've got that. So we have one more bag to get through, and that will be it. So much stuff you can get on Aldi online. Even if you can't get to go in the store, it's really, really good. And I really, really give props to Deliveroo, or anybody that delivers grocery stuff for us. Like, during these times, you are so, so needed and helpful, and we applaud you every time. As moms, it's so hard to go out, especially if you have more than 2 kids, even 1 child, and you know, have to stay indoors with them. I've got 4 kids, so I have to feed a lot of mouths. So the next thing I've got here is broccoli and cauliflower for our Sunday dinner. So I'm trying to get everything in advance. I like to shop in advance, not on the day. I shop in advance, maybe a week or 2 in advance basically. So this is for dinner. Next I've got 2 bunches of spring onions, because I like to regrow my own spring onions. So I'm gonna grow one and I use one. I still got some in the fridge that I need to use up, so I might just grow all of this. But yeah, I really like to regrow my stuff, and they're really cheap in Aldi as well. I've got this orange, similar to Tango, or let's say Fanta. This is orange 0 sugar. It's really, really good. It's tasty for the price, I should say. Next I've got the other baby wipes in here, I can see, and the other digestives. Oops. So I've ordered 2 packs of these baby wipes, which were really, really, really affordable. And I've got, again, these were like 30 something pence, 36 pence or something, almost 40p online, probably in store as well. And got bagels to go with whatever for my breakfast, really affordable as well. Got yeah, this shouldn't be here, but yeah, I've got some, this is eucalyptus and grapefruit for washing your body wash. Right, We got some chocolate. I decided to try out this bubbly one. Looks similar to Aero chocolate. Yeah, the kids gonna like this one. I don't really buy Aero chocolate, but I feel like it's a good change. Definitely always have peppers in my house, or need peppers in my house. So I've got some. These ones are quite big actually. Got some big ones from Aldi now, so I'm stacked for the week. Oh, for some reason they gave me 2. I didn't order another one, but I've got a fennel one and sea mineral extracts. Unless I paid for that one, maybe on, I didn't know, I did buy both. Maybe I bought both and don't know, I don't know. But got some cherry tomatoes because I always need tomatoes with my sweet peppers and onions. And we have my onions here, and then my eggs. Got some organic eggs. You can get different types of eggs from Aldi, but when I'm using eggs, especially for giving the kids or whatever like that, I make sure I buy organic free range eggs because it's healthy and better for them. And it is just, yeah, I just like organic eggs because it's better than buying the other ones. Tastes better to me anyways. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. This is stuff that you can get from Aldi online without going in store. Even ordering online as well, it's a different process to doing it. This is just quickly on delivery what you can get online. Just a quick, like, this is under £50 shopping, which is so good. I've got so many things. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like these.